What if we told you that you could stay connected with your students and do projects together when you're all in class, at home, on vacation, or even in different countries? With DIY, activities and inspiration no longer have to be restricted to the classroom. With a DIY account that's absolutely free for teachers, you can see your class's projects all in one place and track each student's progress in just a few clicks. While it's super easy to give comments and feedback to each kid, your students get to learn from you and from each other every single day. When your students post on DIY, their projects are visible only to you and their classmates, giving them a safe and private space to try new things, think outside the box, and cheer for each other. At DIY, we understand that it's not always easy motivating kids, and we've got you covered. Kids earn skill badges, experience points, and gems for projects completed, skills learned, and proficiencies accomplished. With over 500 hours of content covering more than 5,000 projects across 150 skills, it's never been easier to add projects to your daily curriculum. You can also add your own projects and assignments to our library and carry on teaching. In case we've not already made it abundantly clear, we'd love to have you. So come with us, build your learning community on DIY.